this?
Now it's recording. That's
Here.
Sally.
Yes.
And where's Sarah? There's Sarah.
Okay, I'm gonna have to break this just to connect it. Okay.
Say hello.
Hi.
I have to like break it to.
Cute. Or can you take him out so we can see him?
Come here.
You can tip the ball. Or just lay it on the bed. That's Sarah?
Sarah.
Hold open your hand so we can see her black spot.
Stuff first.
There she is.
The cage.
Sarah.
Can I bring the cage and build it here? I already did.
Sally is brown. Can you put her in the box? Or put her on your shoulder?
I built it.
Got it.
There we go.
It didn't-
Okay.
Mom, I built the cage.
She'll stay there. She'll stay on your shirt.
Come here.
Mom, I built the cage, but I can't put
Come Come on, little girl.
ball.
Oh, you're stuck. Ah! She's tickling you right here.
I'm gonna take this. Wait.
Did you get her out?
But I'm gonna. Can I take this?
Maybe
She'll crawl out.
Good.
Wait.
There she is. Brown spots.
Connect that
That's
to
Sally.
Oh,
Whoops.
Oh,
Careful.
no. She's going towards the big mountain. Hello.
Happy birthday, kitty.
Thanks.